Hi lovelies, let's unbox another clothes from Shein. Guys, this one are free, like that free gift that Shein is giving out. So everything here is free. I only paid 20 euros to get 50 euros free money, free gift. So now let me show you what I got. This is 3 sets and trouser for my daughter. It's 3 guys, 3 sets in one. So this is the other color, so it's so beautiful, and this is the other color. So it's really nice. I love the color. It's nice. See my hair is for Shein as well, so in case you want to buy, go and buy. This is braid. So let's open the other one. Let's see what we have. So this one is supposed to be to remove black head from your face. So I don't know how to use it, so I'm just going to keep it. I don't know how to use it. I don't know if I will even use it, so let's just pass that one. So let's go to another one. So this one is tight, something like a tight, so waist shaping tight. Okay, so to shaping your tight, your waist, whatever it is, and it's so strong. The quality is nice. So yeah, this is it. Keep that one aside. So the next thing here is bag. You can put your clothes inside this bag, so I'm just going to leave it like this. I don't want to open it, so just go and stay like that. So the next one is this. What is this? What is this? What is inside? Surprise, I don't even know. Okay, this is 2 pieces skirt and a top. It's 2 pieces guys. It's a skirt and a top, sweater and shirt, and a sweater skirt. Okay, this is how it's looking like. It's so beautiful. The material is nice. The quality is also nice. So yeah, it's nice. I like it. It's just like this. So in one package, this is all I got in one package. Okay, yeah, in one package. They divide the package so into 2. So in one package I got all these clothes inside. So now let's go and unbox the second package. So the second package, I decided to remove my wig. I don't have stress for wig. And my twins, they are in the background. So as you can see, they are there. So guys, this is the second package. Let's see what we have in the second package. So if you are following me from Facebook, please don't forget to follow. And if you are watching me from Facebook, don't forget to follow my page. If you are watching me from YouTube, please follow my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me from TikTok, please follow my TikTok page. Okay, so this is for rainy, for school. So for my kids, for school, in case it's rainy, it's a rain cover, so they can use to cover themselves if it's raining. Okay, and it's very strong and good quality, and it's also long, so it will cover them very well. And even if they have their backpack, what they call it, their bag, there's this space for the bag. Okay, let me not cut my tongue. There is space for the bag as well, so it's so nice, and it's also very cheap for Shein guys. Go and get yours. Okay, this is pink, and I was looking for blue because boy and girl, so there's no blue. I tried to get the two pink Okay, this is the second one, so there's no need for me to open the second one because you guys have already seen how it looked like. So here I have another complete skirt and a top. So skirt and a top from Shein. This is very good quality. It's a skirt and a top. So my twin give me flower to put on my head. Let me put it. They remove the flower from there, so they want to destroy it. So children, it will scatter your house for you. Arrange and tire. So this is how the skirt is looking like. The quality of this skirt is amazing. Like this, so thick for the weather. It's so nice, guys. Even if you don't wear any hose under, it's going to like keep you warm. So here is the top that come with the skirt. Okay, the top is also warm. Like it was so warm when I wore it. I really love it. I was not feeling cold at all. It was so warm, and it is a very good material, good quality. Yeah, it's good. If you can get it, go get it. So this one is for my babies, my twins. So the material is also nice, guys. This is Shein Kid, so they have a very good clothes for children. So I bought two because they are twins, of course. And the material is so nice. I like it. So the next thing is shoe, guys. I also got shoe for them from Shein. Shein really have a nice things for children. The shoe is so nice. The quality is nice. It's so beautiful, and the color is amazing as well. So I got two. Of course, they are twins, so everything you're buying must be two. So I got two for each of them. Yeah, so this is the second one, this is the second time. So I think it's finished. We still have more. We have more. So we have this rail cover for Passeggino stroller. This is to cover them when it's raining, we are going out, so this is to cover them so that rain will not beat them. So it's big because it's for twins stroller. So yeah, this is everything I got from Shein, from their free gift, guys. So if you never get the free gift, I'm going to leave the code in this video so you can go and get. Just search the code, and then you will have your free gift, €50 free gift. Then you can pick something like €70, then you just pay only €20 to get your €50 free gift. It's as simple as that. Okay, yeah, this is everything I got. The material, I'm still looking at it again. It's so beautiful. I love it. So this is everything I got from Shein. Thank you, Shein, so much. Shein, you guys are the best. They have a very nice clothes there. Bye.